Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Gift here. So today we're going to be learning how to make abacha, aka African salad, and you can never go wrong with this recipe, my dear. So if you want to know how I made this one, please keep on watching. So guys, I'm going to be using the frying method for this recipe, and if you're the type that always buy abacha from these abacha sellers or these abacha people that used to, that frying method, and you have been trying to know how to make that exact one at home, this is the video for you. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to make that same taste at home. Okay, so for our recipes, we are going to be needing pounded or blended crayfish and pepper, Ukpaka and onions. Then we are going to be needing some Ehuru. It's not going to be like this. I will have to put it on fire, then pound it up before adding it into the pot. So this is what it's looking like when you just buy it and all. Then this is palm oil, and the next is fish. I already cooked and fried it. I don't want to make this video to be too long. Then our main recipe: in a pot, add your palm oil. Next, you add the onions. After adding the onions, you go ahead to add the pepper and crayfish. Then you stir that all together so you guys, this recipe I've been trying so many times to get that main taste that I get from the ones I buy from the streets, and I finally got it. You need to try this recipe out. So next, I'm adding 2 cubes of no seasoning cube. Then I'm going to add some salt, and I'm going to stir that up. Once in this state, once this is done, you can actually enjoy this with your boiled yam, just white plain yam. And this, oh my god, this goes well back in those days. I need to try it anytime very soon. When I was making this meal, it actually crossed my mind. So I'm going to go ahead to add the ehuru. This is what it looks like after putting it on the fire and pounding it up. You guys, this adds an extra scent to your abacha. You guys, this adds some, oh my god, I cannot even explain it enough. It is very nice. And if you are tired of that abacha style that they used to mix with, I don't know what I'll call that method, that other method, you can actually try this one out. It is very nice. So I'm going to go ahead to add the abacha, and I'm going to stir that up, making sure that the oil and everything mix together very well. So you guys, this meal is something we enjoy in our house at least once a week. At least once a week, you need to try it. If you're tired of that other method, I grew up with that other method of making African salad, and I've always wanted to try the frying method. And I've been trying so many recipes, so many types, sometimes I added too much more crayfish. I've been asking those people that sell it how they actually make it, because I used to enjoy eating it. I used to enjoy the scent that it comes with, until one day I bought the one that actually has that scent, that ehuru scent, very well, and I decided to try it out one day. Oh my god, you guys, this is the bomb. Okay, so please do well to leave a comment if you're going to try it, or if you already know this method and you don't know about this recipe, please let me know if you're going to try it. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead to add the Ukpaka now. This Ukpaka is an extra something, you know, just something to crunch on. It actually added more scent and vibe to it. You should also try putting an Ukpaka in your food. Please, my English people, if you know what they call all these things, you can actually leave it in the comment section. Just like I told you guys before in the last video, some of all these ingredients, I don't know the English word, and I don't plan to actually, you know, this is the name I know, so let's just go with it. So I'm stirring that all up and it is coming out so nice. So this is what it looks like right now, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please do well to leave a comment, like this video, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.